What's unique about the research environment at the Mass General is that we're a true general hospital, so we have expertise across a whole variety of specialties. However, there's very, very deep academic foundation in the research community, so we can cross-fertilize across a lot of different groups and a lot of different types of expertise, and it's really exciting to do research here.
I love everything about my job here at Mass General. I wake up in the morning and I'm dying to come to work to come up with new discoveries that can help patients.
I love starting with a crazy idea, thinking that that's absolutely science fiction, and step by step realizing that actually we can do it.
As an experimental physicist, I could have stayed in my basement laboratory just tinkering and developing tools. But here at Mass General Hospital, I'm able to make real impact with these tools, working with clinician scientists and solving real problems that are relevant for medical care.
The energy that the people have and what they bring to what they're doing here is contagious, and it's just an honor and pleasure to be around.
The Mass General Research Institute was established to guide, promote, and support all research at Mass General. One of the overarching goals of the Mass General Research Institute is to raise unrestricted funds for our investigators through philanthropy.
Another goal of the Research Institute was to diversify our funding portfolio and make sure that we did not rely on a single source such as the federal government for our funding.
We created a division of clinical research to really allow for the highlighting of clinical research at this institution.
The final goal of the Research Institute was to form a partnership with our patients to help further research and development in the areas of personalized medicine.
After 5 years, we're starting to see some of our efforts come to fruition. Since its inception, we've named 65 MGH Research Scholars, and this has provided $500,000 to each of these scholars, raised through philanthropy to support the next great idea.
The Mass General Research Institute has really changed how the outside regulatory agencies view us. So instead of this very complex, widespread, disparate group of people, they really see us as a unit, all working together with a common goal.
It's incredible infrastructure of services and programs that it offers that we've been able to take advantage of. Our nurse scientists have been incredibly valuable.
So we've been doing translational research at Mass General for many, many, many years. But what we didn't have was a focused, concerted effort and an up-to-date research facility where we could bring study subjects in and study the latest advances in medical technology, new drugs, in a very highly controlled experimental way.
I love the Research Institute's strategic alliance. I think that's been really helpful in bringing us closer with industry partners and showcasing our work and research and just really promoting it both within the hospital and outside the hospital as well.
Over the next 5 years, the Research Institute must focus on continuing to raise unrestricted support for our investigators at Mass General.
I'd also like to see a continuous effort to review our space needs, particularly in the area of wet space, so that our expansion and our resources that support it can keep up with the rapidly developing programs we're experiencing in our research enterprise.
We have absolutely amazing fundamental researchers, and we want them to be more and more engaged with our clinical and translational investigators.
Our goal is to train all our faculty to translate their amazing research into practical solutions that improve patients' life.
And where I see this research institution going is through into an environment where everyone has an opportunity to participate in research as a window to get better clinical care.
You know, the opportunities for research to identify and address disparities are limitless, and I strongly believe that Mass General Hospital and our work here over the last 5 years and into the future can make an incredible difference.
As the scientific director of the Mass General Research Institute, the one thing that I want all of our investigators at Mass General to know is that you are part of the Research Institute. You are what makes this institute strong. You are what makes us what we are. And you are the Mass General Research Institute.
I'm Matt, and I am the Mass General Research Institute.
I am Hannah, and I am the Mass General Research Institute.
I'm Donna, and I am the Mass General Research Institute.
I am Miriam.
I am Gordia.
I'm Gabriella.
I'm Bob.
I'm George.
I'm Sue.
My name is Gary.
My name is Nithya.
My name is Anna.
My name is Margarita.
My name is Shannon.
My name is Joe.
My name is Gazale.
I'm Harry.
I'm Efren.
I'm Maurizio.
I am Genevieve.
I'm Anne.
I am Mason.
I am Steve.
I'm Marcia, and I'm the Mass General Research Institute.